Let's unpack the mystery. Phrasal verbs with put. Hello there, English learners. Welcome to today's video. In this session, we'll dive into the world of phrasal verbs, specifically focusing on phrasal verbs that start with the word put. These combinations of words might seem intimidating at first, but fear not. Once you've got the hang of them, they can be incredibly useful tools to add nuances to your English communication. First things first, let's quickly revisit what a phrasal verb is. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and one or more particles, prepositions, or adverbs. They act as a single verb whose meaning is often different from the meanings of the individual words. In our case today, we will look at phrasal verbs that start with put. Now, let's explore some of the most common phrasal verbs that include put. 1. Put off. This means to delay or postpone something. For example, she put off her homework until the last minute. 2. Put on. This generally refers to dressing in something, or starting to play a piece of music, film, etc. Example: please put on your shoes before leaving the house. 3. Put out. This could mean extinguishing something that is burning, or publishing something. For instance, they put out the fire before it could spread. 4. Put up. This can refer to constructing or erecting something, or accommodating someone at your place. Example: they put up a new shed in their backyard. 5. Put together. This phrasal verb means to assemble or organize. For example, she put together a detailed report for the meeting. Remember, these are just a few examples. The word put can combine with many different prepositions or adverbs to form a multitude of phrasal verbs, each with their unique meanings. Here comes the fun part. It's time to put your learning into practice. Try to make sentences with the phrasal verbs we've learned today. Remember, practice is the key to mastering these tricky parts of the English language. That's it for today, folks. We've unraveled the mystery of phrasal verbs with put. Now, it's your turn to put this knowledge into practice. Don't worry if it's tough at first. With persistence, you'll be using these like a pro in no time. Thanks for joining today's session. We hope you found it useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.